me wanna sit down and breathe. You made me wanna lay back and think about how good you've been to me. Still how much I've yet to see. I never blindsided by a whisper, 'cause we've spent our time and lived our lives together along the way. I hear you say, just breathe, breathe in and out, just be still and know I'm God. You give me courage to dream. Your presence makes me wanna sing, and I'm gonna sing about how good you've been to me. Ooh, and how you hold my destiny. Oh, ooh. When I look in your eyes, I see a faithful friend, 'cause we've been through the good, the bad, the tough, the ugly. Oh no, no way. And I hear you say, just breathe, breathe in and out, just be me still and know I'm God. And forget not how good He's been to you, and forget not all His benefits, and forget not He holds you in His hands, and forget not to breathe in and out, just breathe. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, breathe in and out, just breathe.
Well, it is Saturday, and I'm heading up to Alvord, Texas to help Robbie clear his land back by where we're going to be doing some shooting, because I should help him do that. If we're going to shoot on his land, I should help him with his land. So I'm going to record some of that. It's a vlog. All right, this is Robbie's land. We're going to build a house on it. We're going to shoot on it. There's the echo. The echo, baby. The echo, baby. No. All right, I see you made a modification. Make it a little bit easier to knock some stuff down.
Yep.
What's the plan?
This general area.
This here?
Yep, this general area. Right here, as you can see, there's a hill going up.
Uh-huh.
So this is the perfect place to shoot guns.
Do you got loppers? We need to get some loppers and stuff for the small stuff. And you got chainsaw.
And that has a chainsaw bit on it. So.
All right.
Yep.
So just all in here, into the hill. How far up the hill is yours?
It goes a ways. You'll see a road back here, like a easement. That's what
Okay. All right, we're going to do some cutting. This is a real good starting point right here, Robbie.
What's that?
Clearing, 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 clearing. All right. Looking a whole lot better than it did.
Yep.
And I got video evidence.
Yeah, that's something.
So everybody, this is going to be new gun range. Perfect hillside. We'll get, when we clean a little further back that way, probably another 10 yards back back that way. I'll show you back that way. That'll give us, we could probably get 50 yards out of it. And that's plenty, 40 to 50 yards is plenty to do drills. We don't even need that to actually do drills. And I'm gonna run Robbie through the drills my brother taught me. Dude, you gotta find that, these gotta be fun. When we get to these drills my brother taught me, you're gonna be like, yeah, let's do that again. Okay. Well, folks, I did what I could do, and next time I'll be able to do better. But when you look at the beginning of the video, now we'll clear that all out there. That's all taken down. That essentially, right in that clearing right there, needs to be cleared. That needs to be cleared, and that section needs to be cleared, and we're good to shoot. We're good to shoot. So we're close. Think we're close, Robbie? Yep, that's it. I love you. God bless you. And I'll see you next time. All right. I did an hour and a half. And, man, trimmed up the hill, cutting down tree limbs, doing all that. It got me. Not used to such a thing. Little at a time, get stronger. I'm gonna get stronger. We do. Get stronger. Keep doing. Keep moving forward. Get stronger. Move your body. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Move your body. Get stronger. I'm talking to myself. Have a great day. I love you. God bless you. We'll see you next time.